Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best wax warmers that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have candle warmers. A great wax warmer to freshen your room and make it look better as the candle warmers fragrance warmer. It is designed as warming scented candles for every homeowner. Even though it looks simple in design, it is one of those that scent longer. Candle warmers fragrance warmer has a 2-in-1 classic, versatile design for performance. It also features a 36 inches long cord and an on-off roller switch for control. Overall, it is a great investment for home decor. Moving on at number 4, we have Dahood Direct Mosaic Glass Wax Warmers. Take a look at Dahood Direct Mosaic Wax Warmer, and all you can see is the ocean blue beauty radiating. Not only will you be able to feel the impact of this warmer in terms of beauty, but the fragrance is highly exceptional. It is a unique wax warmer with an artistic design and a decorative touch. Dahood Direct Mosaic Wax Warmer is a plug-in device to create a relaxing ambience. It consists of one bulb with a plug, which is connected to an outlet for lighting. With high regard for safety, this wax warmer is quick, safe, and easy to clean. Indeed, it is an outstanding choice. At number 3, we have Boboli Ceramic Wax Warmer. If you search for a simple wax warmer that will be perfect for a small family, Boboli Ceramic Electric Wax Melt Warmer comes in handy. It has a halo house color and a special, contemporary design to aid its performance. This environment-friendly wax warmer produces a starry sky illusion and makes the room beautiful. Boboli Ceramic Electric Wax Melt Warmer has a great texture, sandblasting applied to ensure its durability. Hence, you shouldn't expect this wax warmer to fade or scratch. Also, its fragrance is great for eliminating all kinds of bad odor. At number 2, we have Enaroma Fragrance Wax Melts Warmer. In the case of light colors, Enaroma Fragrance Wax Melts Warmer is the choice for you. It has a unique black forest design that makes it attractive and good to use in a room. This warmer is made of wax replacement silicone tray and durable metal material for longer use. With a heating plate with a safe heat source, it is quite incredible in performance. Enaroma Fragrance Wax Melts has 7 colors changing LED light that changes on how it is set. The same vein makes the atmosphere feel warm and nice for reading, sleeping, or even work. Furthermore, the essential oils produce the right fragrance to brighten the mood. Interestingly, you are at liberty to choose a fragrance. And finally at number 1. Giggle House Electric Wax Warmer. One of the best animal-themed wax warmers on the market is the Giggle House Ceramic Electric Wax Melt Warmer. It has a cartoon owl pattern that makes it lovable and fantastic in performance. Also, this wax warmer delivers the perfect spa and aromatherapy you need. Thus, it is a perfect choice for the home, office, gym, and spa. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.